If you're always broke, struggling to make ends meet, or wondering why your bank account never seems to grow, this video is for you. Today, I'm exposing 5 toxic money habits that are keeping you broke. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to break free and start building wealth. Let's dive in. The biggest trap? Spending money you don't have. Many people live paycheck to paycheck because they spend first and save later, if they save at all. Flip the script. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and at least 20% for saving and investing. Pay yourself first before spending on luxuries. Credit cards aren't free money. Relying on them for everyday expenses racks up debt fast thanks to high interest rates. Break this habit by building an emergency fund and using a debit card or cash for daily purchases. If you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it. Most people spend hours on social media but won't invest 10 minutes in learning about money. Wealthy people, they educate themselves daily on money, investing, and financial growth. Start small. Read just one financial book a month. Follow financial experts and watch videos like this. Your financial future depends on what you know. One income stream is the fastest way to stay broke. Inflation, job loss, or an emergency can wipe you out in an instant. Start a side hustle, invest in real estate, build passive income streams. Your 9 to 5 will make you a living, but your 5 to 9 can build you a fortune. Wealthy people don't trade time for money. They make money work for them. If you don't have a long-term financial plan, you'll always be one step away from being broke. Set clear financial goals. How much do you want to save? When do you want to retire? What's your plan for wealth? Create a roadmap and take action now. If you've made it this far, it means you're ready to change your financial future. Which of these bad habits do you need to break first? Comment below. And if you're serious about mastering your money, hit like and subscribe for more wealth building strategies. See you in the next video.